Better things, right? Better things for the year. What you have planned for the year? What is New Year's resolution? Other than the smiles.
More money.
More money. Okay, so the resolution is to have more money. I like it. Will you remember me when you have the more money?
Of course.
Come on, tell me what that. Cara come to say of course. Well, my resolution, puppy. My resolution is to get back the sexy on somebody do the gym and all of these things. Feel it gonna fit me? I want to get some more money too. You think it gonna work for me?
Yeah, they.
I mean, you go to the gym?
Yeah.
You sure? I'm gonna joke about them something there.
Yeah, I want to lose some weight.
Which part you want to lose weight on?
My belly.
No? No man, that can't work. That belly can't live with. No bother with that. Belly can't live with. No bother with that. You look good. Let me have a package for you. I want to tell you thanks for your passionate. Thanks for inviting people to our service. And Happy New Year. We're wishing you all the best. And when you get all of the money you need, don't money fit her. Feel like money fit her. Yeah, money fit her. Alright, have a good one. You have anything you want to say to anybody?
No.
Pick up your friend from foreign. Who sent that?
No, man, I know.
Your money spent?
No, my money buy it.
Look at you, say if you're going, sir. Should you work up on the money and do other things? What's your going, sir?
I want to find a rich husband.
You want to find a rich husband? See, man, we have all the camera.
Are you rich?
But he's married already, that's the problem right now. That's the only problem.
Okay.
But me I get the hook up still enough, because I know whole heap of rich man. So the other New Year resolution is to find a rich husband. Abigail, pleasure. I will talk. And there you have it, on the delivery train. Find the new husband, Abigail. That's the next shipment. Next shipment.
Me a ship a husband.